In June 2023, we hosted the third edition of European Seller Conference, which is a flagship event by OrangeClick designed for Amazon FBA sellers, and it always takes place in Prague, the capital of Czech Republic. In the recent event, we had over 170 attendees from 38 countries, and in this video you have a chance to see what attendees experienced during this event and what they have learned.
The main reason I decided to come to this conference wasn't necessarily to find more information, but to meet more people and network and find connections with others that I can use, down the road, or I can keep, in touch so that we can help exchange knowledge and stuff like that.
I decided to come here because I was here last time as well, a few years back, and I got some really good connections. I got some really good info, and I kind of hoped that it will meet these criteria this time as well, and it certainly did.
I decided to come here because I saw the speaker list and the session topics, and they were quite interesting. And I thought I hoped a lot, but I got more.
So the main reason I joined the conference in Prague was obviously a good lineup. Amazon guy, Helium, like a lot of good people. So, and also a nice city. So, who doesn't want to be in Prague in the summertime?
For me personally, everything marketing related, because this is kind of one of the areas that I want to improve myself in. Also, it has been really valuable actually just speaking with people, getting tips, getting good opportunities.
The most important topic that I wanted to find out from others was building a team and systems in regards to your Amazon business, and a proper way to do that, because there's many ways, and I was trying to find what are people doing so that I can implement that in my own system, in my own business, and make it work better for myself as well.
Session of Mikael was very informative for me, because hiring new employees is a big thing for me, and he gave really good strategies for this.
Well, I think that it's not about the topics, it's about little tips you get in the topic. So in every topic you might find really, really cool tips you actually haven't implemented so far. And so the devil is in the details. So the more details you can find out, little thing can increase your sales a lot. So.
Yeah, right now I think many people are issuing overstock because of due to COVID. Everybody didn't get goods, and right now many people have overstock. So it's good to talk to other sellers that have the same problem, how they are solving it. Yeah, there were many new experiences from others.
It's hard to say because I met a lot of people, I made a lot of connections. So I can say that other people have the same problems like we have, with some difficulties. Basically, I found solutions to some problems that were not impossible to find on Google, because you have to discuss it with people from the same industry. You have to share your experience with others in order to find the solution. So I can say that's the one, yeah.
The small masterminds in the morning were actually surprisingly good, because I never had that before. But you somehow sit in with a bunch of people and you start talking and brainstorming about some topic, and it's like, wow, it's like I didn't know about that. I didn't know about that. Well, that's really cool.
I personally think it's especially important for kind of newer or smaller sellers who wish to kind of scale up, because Amazon is changing so rapidly, so you constantly need to be kind of on top of the most recent kind of things. Events like this provide a very good kind of shortcut. You can get up to date just in a couple of days.
Well, I encourage for younger sellers to visit conferences like this, because what you don't know, you don't know. So it's not about like rich people and poor people. They all have 24 hours a day. So it's just about your knowledge and priorities.
I'm a single person, so I can only grab as much information myself. By having more of my people here, one of the things is that we can kind of cover more ground, so we can actually get more out of it. That's one thing. Another thing is it's a really cool event, and the vibe is good. Prague is a great city, so I think it also serves quite good kind of team building purpose.
Yeah, actually, I've been really satisfied with the event because it's not too big and it's the right size, super straight to the point, really nice people, easy to talk, easy to collaborate, and easy to find out cool things.
I would love to be back. I would love to be reminded of things and come here, like I said, to network, build connections with other people. It's great to have multiple people together. It's the collective mind. That's what I was looking for. The collective mind, even though you don't realize it, I feel that by just being here, I understand more of what's important and what's not. And I don't really have to speak with a lot of people to understand that just by the fact that I am here. Perhaps it's something in the air or I don't know what, but it feels like it. So I'll definitely come back, in the future.
If you would like to join us at the next European Seller Conference, check the link below for more information. And if you like videos with Amazon experts, which we publish on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.